VARINDIA News Hour. India's tech industry shows strong growth, crossed $200 billion in revenue. Indian tech industry clocked double-digit growth across subsectors, adding $30 billion in revenues in financial year 2022 and nearly 450,000 jobs. NASSCOM Tech CEO Survey 2022 says 72% CXOs expect 2022 to be another growth year driven by digital demand and higher investments in R&D, resilience and agility integrated in the industry business model. The Indian technology industry crossed the $200 billion revenue mark, reaching $227 billion revenue in financial year 2022, witnessing a $30 billion incremental revenue in the year with an overall growth rate of 15.5%. Recording the highest ever growth since 2011, all subsectors of the industry recorded double-digit growth across. Exports, including hardware, recorded a growth of 17.2%, clocking revenue of $178 billion, which is over 51% share of India's total services exports. India's massive digital infrastructure played a key role in driving India's tech adoption, with public digital platforms becoming the bedrock of India's digital advantage. Industry experts say Fiscal 2022 has been a breakthrough year for the Indian technology industry. India has emerged as a global hub for digital talent with over 5 million tech workforce. The industry recorded nearly 10% estimated growth in direct employee pool in financial year 2022, with the highest ever net addition of approximately 450,000 to its employee base. With 1 out of 3 employees already digitally skilled, the digital tech talent pool is at 1.6 million, growing at a CAGR of 25%. With massive focus on reskilling and upskilling, the Indian tech industry reskilled approximately 280k employees in financial year 2022. With over 36% of women employees, the Indian tech industry is one of the largest private sector women employers in India, with over 1.8 million women in the workforce. The industry also undertook over 219 M&As with their primary focus as digital. India continues to be the third largest startup hub in the world, with over 25,000 plus tech startups and witnessing 42 new unicorns and 11 IPOs in the year 2021. Over 2,250 tech startups were founded in 2021, and a total highest ever funding of $24 billion was raised in 2021. The industry also witnessed maturity in the software product segment, with the presence of over 2,000 software product companies and 1,000 SaaS companies in India. Indian SaaS-based companies also secured $4.5 billion funding in 2021. With a massive focus on IP creation, India ranked 46th in Global Innovation Index. The tech industry filed over 138k tech patents in India during 2015 to 2021 and increased its investments in R&D by nearly 1.5 times across the spectrum. The Indian tech industry has emerged as a leader in seamlessly transforming to hybrid work models. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. India's smartphone market increased by 7% in 2021. Even as supply and pandemic-related challenges created disruptions during 2021, India shipped 161 million smartphones during the year, up by 7% year-over-year. With 81 million units, the online channel registered 13% year-over-year growth, surpassing the offline channel, driven by heavy marketing and initiatives like multiple sales festivals, attractive financing schemes, cashback and exchange offers, and trade-in programs. First quarter of 2022 is expected to remain flat year-over-year amid a low seasonal demand and a mild impact of ongoing third wave of COVID-19, which will give the brands time to replenish their inventories. IBM acquires US-based Neudesic. IBM announced the acquisition of Neudesic, a US-based cloud services consultancy specializing primarily in the Microsoft Azure platform, along with bringing skills in multi-cloud. This acquisition will significantly expand IBM's portfolio of hybrid multi-cloud services and further advance the company's hybrid cloud and AI strategy. Neudesic will add on to IBM's consulting capabilities in the hybrid cloud and AI, and also beef up its consulting focus as more deals are digital in nature. Glance to get $200 million investment from Reliance. Lock screen platform Glance, which is part of the InMobi Group, is set to raise $200 million from Reliance's Jio Platforms Limited. The investment will value Glance at $1.7 billion to $1.8 billion post-money. With the investment, the entity is now looking to further bolster its live content capabilities and enable its commerce ecosystem further. The proposed investment by Jio is also aimed at accelerating Glance's launch in several key international markets outside of Asia, including the USA, Brazil, Mexico, and Russia. Rangan Banerjee appointed as the director of IIT Delhi. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay Professor Rangan Banerjee formally took charge as the new director of IIT Delhi. A Forbes Marshall Chair professor at IIT Bombay, Banerjee is a B.Tech mechanical graduate from the same institute. Botlab Dynamics, an IIT Delhi incubated startup best known for their drone show at the Republic Day Meeting Retreat ceremony, paid tribute to the outgoing Professor V. Ram Gopal Rao, who served as the institute director for 6 years, in his last evening at the campus. Airtel deploys Oracle Cloud applications for efficiency in supply chain. Bharat Airtel has deployed Cloud Major Oracle's cloud applications to digitize and simplify its supply chain processes. With the integrated Oracle Cloud ERP and Oracle Cloud SCM applications, Airtel said it will transform its shared services operations, which focus on driving productivity and agility across the company. The deployment will be carried out by Oracle Consulting and will expand the telco's Oracle Cloud footprint. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.